Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Cricut Mugpress. I also got the bundle. I didn't just get the Mugpress, I got the Mugpress Essentials bundle. So we're going to get this open it up, see what's in here, and set this thing up. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you, and let's get started. Alright, so this is everything that came in my Cricut Mugpress Essentials bundle. Of course, I have the Cricut Mugpress here. I have two 2-packs of mugs, a 2-pack of 12-ounce mugs, and another 2-pack of 12-ounce mugs. I also have 2 packs of the Cricut Infusible ink for the mugs. The colors that I have the pink lemonade, and I have the purple watercolor splash. This bundle also came with the Cricut Infusible ink markers as well. So now let's go ahead and get this machine opened up here, and let's set this bad boy up and give it a go. I've been really excited about getting my Cricut Mugpress. A lot of people that I know that have the Cricuts use the big old heat press machines, and they have the mug accessory to go along with that, but I do not have one of those types of heat presses. I use the Cricut Easy Press too. So once you open it, you get your book right here that says Cricut. Let's take that out. And it says, let's get started. So I guess we're going to start with this. So I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side, and we'll pull the machine out of the box and get this box out of the way. Got the machine and the power cord. This is the USB cord. I'm assuming to hook this up to a computer, probably for any of your firmware updates, and probably to also register this device. We're going to grab this. It says, let's get started. We're going to go ahead and activate your product. So you have to go to cricut.com/setup. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. I don't know why they always put on here to go to the website. And you go to the website, and all it tells you to do is pretty much open up Design Space. So you get to this screen here, and it says, welcome to Cricut Setup. Select a machine type to continue. So we're going to go ahead and select heat press. And this is the Cricut Mugpress. And it says place the Mugpress on a heat resistant surface in a well ventilated area. Okay, we got that. Plug it into a wall outlet and power on your Mugpress. It's updating the software right now. So let that get done. It's up to date and ready to be used. Okay, so now that we have this thing already set up, we're going to go ahead and we're going to make our first mug and see how this thing works out. If you have the updated version of Design Space on your tablet, phone, or on your laptop, they have projects already in Design Space set up for you to use with these mugs. So we're just going to go ahead and take one of their projects and we're going to customize it and make it for us. So I'm going to scroll down here into Design Space on the home screen, and it says new Cricut Mugpress. So I'm going to click on View All, and we're going to find a design that we want to use. I think I'm going to use the personalized monogram mug for the first one. So let's go ahead and tap on that. So when you get in here, you have to select the mug size that you're using. So like I said, I have the 12-ounce mugs. So my finished size in here, I'm going to select for 12-ounce mugs. And then want to hit customize. And then your template shows up on your canvas. So right now the template just has MP on it, but I would like it to say just LB because that's who you're watching. So I'm going to go ahead and double tap or on the letters MP and just change the text to say what you want it to say. So I'm going to say just LB. So once you have your text on your design the way that you want it, you're going to have to highlight all layers, and you're going to want to slice. And once you slice it, you're going to slice it and get rid of all of the other, just like that. Now that we have our words cut out, we can go ahead and click on Make It. For this project, I'm going to use the purple watercolor splash infusible ink sheets. So we're going to go ahead and get this opened up. These sheets are already sized perfectly to go onto the Cricut Easy Press mat. Alright, once we get to our Make It screen, you are going to want to make sure that you mirror your image. All images need to be mirrored for this mug press. And we're going to hit Continue. Let my maker connect to my... When you get to the screen to select your base material, you're going to go ahead and select Browse All Materials. And you're going to search for Infusible Ink Transfer Sheet and hit Done. Now let's go ahead and load our infusible ink sheet. Grab my mat. When you're using infusible ink, you place it with the color side up. So your actual infusible ink, you want that facing up towards you. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and load our mat. And we'll be back once this thing finished cutting out. Okay, so my Cricut has finished cutting out my design. So I'm going to go ahead and just pop out the template. This is what I have. And I'm just going to pop my actual letters out because I do not want those to go over. You just peel your letters out. So the centers of my B's came out. So I just put my centers to my B back on. So that way I actually get the full letter to look the way it's supposed to look. So we have my cutouts here. That's my words and that's my name. We'll peel off the ends here. This is all we should be left with, just me. So let me grab my mug, and we're just going to go ahead and place this design around my mug. Let's see how we want this to line up. Make sure you get everything lined up perfectly. Believe we have it good here. My mug press is already heated up. The light is green. So this is my first time attempting this. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do it without using any of my tape. And we're just going to do trial and error here and see how this works out for us. So you just sit your mug in here. Like so. Close it down. Press it down. And just let it go till it's ready. So we'll just let it go and we will be back once this mug is complete. Stay tuned. So my Cricut Mugpress is now beeping at me, letting me know that it's complete. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And you can just grab your mug and place it onto my press mat. The great thing that I do like about this is once you get done pressing your mug, the handle isn't hot whatsoever. You don't have to worry about burning yourself or anything of that sort. You just set it in there and press this close and let it go until it beeps at you. And that's it. It didn't take very long for it to heat up at all. So we're gonna go ahead and let the mug cool off and then we'll peel it off and see what we have. I wanna start off by saying I'm really excited about this mug press that I have here. The product came out perfect. This is what we have. It's still a little hot to touch, but it came out perfect. The colors are great. It all infused the whole way around onto my mug, on all edges, on all places. I'm really excited to see what else I can do with this. I know right now Cricut says that you need to use their Cricut brand infusible ink mugs or a sublimation type of mug that has that special coating on it for you to actually be able to infuse the ink. But I have seen some TikToks and I have seen some videos where people have used other things besides just mugs in this. So I am excited to see what else I can do. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them down below. And I love to comment and interact with you guys. So I look forward to hearing from you. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. And ring that bell so you get notified when I post a new video. Until next time, everything that I used today will be down in the description box below. Peace.